guys, Judy Ann here from JustIt8.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Dino Halloween eggs for the Halloween season. Now stay tuned for all the tips and tricks to create these amazing looking devilish eggs. First things first, we're going to go ahead and have a pot of water here, and then I have Kikkoman, which is my favorite brand to use, and it's a rice vinegar. I like to put vinegar in my hot water whenever I'm boiling eggs, because I like to do hard-boiled eggs, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm just going to let it boil. I let it boil for like good 15 minutes on medium-high. When my eggs are finally finished boiling, we're going to transfer them into a cold water bath. Now this is the hack right here. If you are wanting to learn how to crack a boiled egg, really simple, to like peel it all in one piece, this is the tip and trick for you right here. You have to make sure you are leaving your hard-boiled eggs in cold water bath for at least good 15 to 20 minutes, the same amount of time that you were boiling your eggs. All right, and so by the time you are ready to peel your eggs, it will peel all in one shot.
Oh my god, seriously? Oh my god, seriously? Come on, open. Open, open.
Next, we're going to go ahead and grab the 1 gallon size Ziploc bag like I have here. Grab the food coloring of your choice. Now, I actually chose the black food coloring, and I'm using the gel food coloring. So you could use the liquid form if you'd like. As long as it's edible, that's all that matters. And then we're going to put at least, I put 1 teaspoon of food coloring in there, I believe. And then we're going to put in our boiled eggs, and we're going to smash the shell. That's right, we're going to go ahead and smash the eggs. Smashing the eggs is actually the hack right here for this recipe, because when you smash the egg shells and put the food coloring together is when the eggs are getting dyed through the egg shells. So that is the hack in this recipe. Now, here's a tip for doing this one. When you're smashing the eggs like how I'm doing it on the countertop here, just be careful, because I have lost 2 or 3 eggs during this process. I've smashed it too good. So yeah, be a little gentle for sure.
It looks so cool. Black eggs.
After tossing the bag for several minutes on the countertop with the food coloring, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of water into the Ziploc bag here and let it submerge in the bag.
Oh man, 1 egg already cracked really good. I bashed it too good. Oh well. I was being too hard. Wow.
After 5 minutes, it's time to peel the shells.
Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the eggs and peel that. Wow, some of them came out really cool. Whoa. I recommend to use gloves because dealing with black dye is not easy. But okay, so I don't know if you guys can see my hands, but I have like these black ink. Yeah, and that's not good. So I'm gonna use gloves. I recommend to use gloves as well, if you have any. So these should be really easy to peel since they've been sitting in the cold water for so long. So
as we peel the eggshells from the food coloring and or dye, we're going to go ahead and submerge it in clean water.
thank you. Do you want me to give him one of these eggs? Okay, hold on. Wait. No. Hold on. Wait.
Can you grab which one I want?
No, hold on. I want to put the camera on you to eat one of these. Okay?
Check out my nephew's channel, which is named Lauren's Life Reviews. He and his puppet Dinosaur takes a bite of this dino eggs. Isn't that just so exciting? It's just so exciting! Check out his link in the description box below. These dino eggs were fun to make as well as eating them. So look, comment down below to let me know. Are you going to be making them this Halloween season? Maybe you're going to be making dino eggs for a dinosaur themed birthday party and or for your New Year's Eve party. Comment down below to let me know what kind of occasion would you be using this recipe. I'm just kind of curious to see what you're going to be doing with these dino eggs. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell if this video was helpful for you, and to see what I'm going to be doing next with these dino eggs, because you could do so much more with these dino eggs. I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned! Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video.